In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store billing problems quickly and efficiently. We've all been there, needing to download or update an app only to find out there's a snag with our billing. But don't worry, I'll guide you through a few easy steps to resolve these issues seamlessly. First off, let's make sure our payment methods are set correctly. Start by opening the Settings app on your device, tap on your Apple ID right at the top where your name is displayed, and then proceed to Payment and Shipping. Here, take a moment to ensure that all your payment information is accurate and current. Double check to see that nothing's expired or incorrectly entered. If there's a need, feel free to update or even add a fresh payment method. It's a step that's surprisingly simple but often does the trick. Now let's verify your billing address. It's absolutely essential that your billing address perfectly matches the one your bank has on file. Even minor discrepancies can lead to payment issues, so if there's a need, go ahead and update this detail as necessary. It's such a small thing but can make a big difference. Next, let's address any lingering unpaid balances. Return to your settings, tap your Apple ID once more, then head over to Media and Purchases, and select View Account. It's here that you'll look for any unpaid balances or subscriptions. Settle those outstanding amounts and you might find that your billing problems vanish instantly. If you're still encountering issues, a simple action like restarting your device can sometimes solve temp glitches. It's a quick fix that works more often than you'd think and can be well worth trying before proceeding further. Also, don't forget to have a word with your bank. Make sure that your credit or debit card isn't blocked or being declined specifically for Apple purchases. Sometimes just a precautionary block or an overzealous fraud alert is in place, which a quick call can clear up. If all else fails and the problem lingers on, it's time to reach out for expert help. Navigate to getsupport.apple.com, select billing and subscriptions, and from there you can get direct help from Apple support. They are well equipped to dive deeper into these sorts of challenges and will work with you to troubleshoot any persistent issues. Remember, they're there to help. So there you have it, a series of straightforward steps to help you troubleshoot and fix billing problems in the App Store. I hope you find this guide helpful and can get back to enjoying all your favorite apps without a hitch.